Yes, a new short form factor of video on learning Lightburn, no ball. Let's get straight to it. Short and concise in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Hello, I'm Andy and welcome back to another quick tip Lightburn video from FlixMySwitchLASER. So you want to draw a triangle and not sure how to do it. It's very easy once you know, and I'm going to show you right now. So you need to go to the Polygon tool, click on it, use the shift key, hold that down and drag a polygon out so it draws a equal sided polygon. Let go of the mouse, then let go of the shift. So now you need to go to the shape property window and click on that. But if you don't see that window, go up to window, slide down to shape properties and give that a click. So I'm going to click on the shape and properties. You can see it's 6-sided and both, well, all sides are equal. Drop down to 3-sided and you can see you can go up to many sides while we're doing it. So it's a very versatile shape, but we are concentrating on triangles. Now for me, that triangle's upside down. So I come up here and this is the flip horizontal tool and it flips it horizontal. I'm just going to drag that up a bit so you can see it. Now, because when I was drawing this shape and when I first drew it, I didn't use this tool. I tried to do it freehand by using lines and dividing and yeah, I got myself in a bit of a state and I didn't even get these sides exactly consistent with one another. So they weren't parallel, and when I rotated this shape to make a nest of 6 of them, it all went wrong, and when I cut them out individually and I put the shapes by their sides, they didn't butt up properly and one part would rock against the other part. So I had to learn how to use triangles. So there's many triangles in this. Obviously you've got the big triangle on the outside there and you've got a triangle in the corner, triangle there, you've got one there and one there. So it's important for me, and sorry, one here. So it was important for me to get the triangles right. So if I remember rightly, I'm going to have to look at my notes now. My triangle was 227.753. And that's sized equally because I had the padlock locked here. So that's equal distance. And when you then put that in there somewhere, and we zoom in, and I'm just going to use my jogging keys to do it very crudely. Zoom in a bit more. And go to the right. That's good enough for government work. No, we can do one little bit more. So the way that I use the jogging keys there is if you go up to the cog and units, yes, units, you can see if I press the arrow, control and arrow, I'm going to move a minuscule distance, that's in millimeters. And if I just use the arrow key on its own, it's going to move 0.1 millimeters. So you can play with those values to suit the way you work. Normally this would be sort of 1 mil, 1 mil, 2 mil, 5 mil, but for just this demonstration I've changed it to minuscule amounts so I could just jog that in. Excuse me, I'm struggling with a cold at the moment. As you can see now that the outer shape is perfect, and I then used the triangle tools to make these. I found the center line. Anyway, it took a little while to make the shape, but I wanted to do that in the end. So I've yet to burn it. I've burnt a singular one, but because I'm struggling with this cold, I haven't yet gone down and tried to burn that and see what it looks like. Anyway, that's Andy showing you a very quick tip, under 5 minutes. If you like what I'm doing here, please like the video. I would be honoured if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is growing slowly. I think I've got 1,200 subscribers at the moment. If you need any quick tip videos, let me know in the comments below. And that's Andy then, as ever, wishing you a good afternoon. Continue to make some happy smoke, and hopefully you'll join me in the next video. Cheers for now.
Thank you for making it to the end of my videos, much appreciated. If you like what I'm doing and I've earned your trust and respect, perhaps you would consider subscribing. If you leave a comment, I will answer them as well. And if you give me a thumbs up, it will put a smile on my face. Perhaps you would like some of the videos popping up now. See you in the next one.